In today's video, we're watching a dramatic freeway incident that quickly turns into a dangerous chain of events. Everything begins at night on what appears to be a busy Los Angeles freeway. A white sedan is stopped on the shoulder while traffic continues moving at high speed. One person is standing outside the vehicle, making the situation look extremely risky from the very beginning. A California Highway Patrol vehicle soon arrives with its emergency lights activated. The officer parks behind the stranded car and appears to speak briefly with the driver. After only a short stop, the patrol vehicle leaves the area while the stranded car remains on the shoulder. From the footage alone, we can't hear their conversation or know why the officer departed. Only moments later, the situation becomes much more serious. Vehicles approaching the area begin braking suddenly and swerving to avoid the stopped car. Within seconds, multiple crashes occur near the shoulder, creating a chaotic scene filled with damaged vehicles and flashing brake lights. The freeway quickly becomes a dangerous accident zone. As the crashes unfold, more emergency responders arrive with flashing red and blue lights. Officers begin securing the area while traffic slows to a crawl. Tow trucks also arrive to remove damaged vehicles, and several drivers can be seen standing safely on the shoulder as authorities investigate the incident. Near the end of the video, the camera focuses on a blue Mercedes-Benz sports car with heavy damage to its front left side, showing the impact of one of the collisions. Emergency crews continue working as traffic slowly passes the scene. This footage captures an intense series of events, but it doesn't provide every detail. We can't determine exactly why the officer left or who was responsible for the crashes. What we do know is that this turned into a major freeway incident within just a few minutes. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reactions.